Welcome. In front of me I have iPadPro 11, the third generation, and today I'll show you how easy you can pair AirPods to this device. So the first thing that we have to make, just go for the settings, find the Bluetooth, and of course enable this option. Right now, when you got your AirPods, in my case I have the AirPods Pro, you have to open the case just like that and click and hold the pairing button. Let's make it when the indicator starts blinking. Just like that, you can release that key, and as you can see right now, they are detected, so we have to click connect. Now just be patient and wait a little bit. And as you can see right now, we are connected. We can skip this one. And there it is. Right now we are connected to our iPad with AirPods. And if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.